dear Sicily lovers, and welcome to this live broadcast. Welcome to Sicily and happy Sunday from Sicily. Before starting this live broadcast, please share this live broadcast with your friends, put your thumb up and invite your friends. So this time is time to discover Isnello. Isnello is a small medieval village in the heart of the Madonian Nature Reserve. And it's one of the hidden treasures that we have in Sicily. It's a quiet village, but not today, because today we are here to enjoy a particular food festival, and it's so crowded, and you will discover why, because there are a lot of things to eat. So, I would like to tell you that Gianca today is not with me because he is working. He is planning tour of Sicily, custom private tours of Sicily. And it seems that next year all the people want to travel to Sicily. So Sicily is becoming a very popular destination. And I would like also to say hello to all the people that have an origin here in Isnello. First of all, thanks to Mark Cancilla for joining our Sicily Lovers Tour next May. Sorry, Mark Cancilla is going to join the first edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour that will be in May, June 2023. But we have another edition in September because the first one is already sold out. So there are few spots left, and you can join the second edition in September. Visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com and book your dream vacation. So what about Isnello? Why visit Isnello? I don't want to reveal so many things because we have time to discover everything, but let me say three interesting things about Isnello. The first thing is that here you can enjoy terrific food, so fresh. If you are a cheese lover or a meat lover, this is the right place for you. And it's also an authentic village because it's very small, so here you can enjoy the authenticity, the Sicilianity, the authentic atmosphere. Second one is the right place to look up to the sky and watch the stars, and I will tell you why. And the third thing is that the air is so pure that you can get 100 years old, and I'm not joking. And now, for this event, I have the great pleasure to have with me three beautiful ladies from Isnello, three young ladies. Come with me, ladies! Wow! I'm so happy to be with these three ladies. Let me introduce to these ladies. They are from Isnello and they are volunteers. They are not tourist guides, so we have to thank them to touring with us today.
So, ciao Sicily lovers, we are Giulia, Marica and Carol. We are part of the Consulta Giovanni di Isnello, as our hoodies say. And today we have organized this beautiful festival that is called Flavors Festival. And we know from our friend Rosella that this page is followed by some Canadians, Americans, Australians and some others. And we know also that you have Sicilian origins, so we want to make you a little bit nostalgic today, and we know that this is the one of the biggest things that we can make for you. So, Marica?
Isnello is a little village situated between mountains and surrounded by nature in the heart of Parco della Madonia. So, Madonia is our mountains. They have dolomitic origin, they have a coral origin, so during the sunset they become reddish. Isnello is equally far away Cefalus seasides and also mountains, especially Piano Battaglia. Isnello is at 550 meters above sea level. Isnello is characterized by karst. So, in fact, here we have a lot of caves between Pizzo di Pilo and Pizzo Carbonara. The most important cave is Abisso del Vento. It is very deep, and inside there are stalactites and stalagmites. But the name of Isnello, what is its origin? So the name of Isnello comes from the term Asinello, donkey. So it is the name of the river. In the past, some people thought that this term comes from Assyrian word Hassin, which means cold river. Other people instead believed that this term comes from a Punic word, Hassinor, which describes the shape of the bed of the river. Here there is a variety biodiversity. We have a lot of evergreen trees. In particular, in Isnello, about population, we are 1,600 people, but only 1,100 people live here because a lot of people study or work in other countries. In the past, people lived thanks to agriculture, sheep farming and craft. Today, agriculture, sheep farming and also craft, in particular embroidered, are still practiced. About agriculture, we have a lot of vegetables, a lot of fruit and a lot of trees. About sheep farming, here people produce some Sicilian cheese like caciocavallo or ricotta. About craft, craft is based mainly on embroidery. So the most important technique of embroidery is our filet.
Filet is a sort of crochet, we can say.
Filet and chiacchierino.
And we forgot to say where is located. Let me switch. Where is located? It doesn't work. Okay, now it works. So we forgot to say that Isnello is in the province of Palermo, and it's located very close to Cefalù. It's about half an hour away from Cefalù and about 1 hour and a half from Palermo. So if you stay in Palermo during your tour of Sicily or in Cefalù, it's very easy to plan a trip to Isnello and brief the pure hair. So maybe now I'm getting younger. Staying with the tree. I feel so old today with these three young ladies. What do you think, guys? But I'm younger inside than the three ladies.
Exactly. Yes. She says the sexually thing, probably.
What do you think if we move to the photo, to the pictures?
Yes,
to see
we
something?
have some pictures to show you. So come.
Let's see. I take my bag. Where is my bag? Over there. Oh, I forgot my bag. We are live, so this is normal. Oh, let me show you the beautiful landscape. As I told you, we are right in the heart of the Madonia Nature Reserve, and so you can see here beautiful mountains, and from this point you can see people kissing because there is a sort of panel that says stop and kiss. Can you see? Stop and kiss. Could you please kiss again? Per favore, vi potete baciare di nuovo? So let's kiss. Thank you. So stop and kiss. So it's a place to fall in love. And look at this nice corner here. Do you have the microphone, ladies? Okay, perfect. We can start from the first one. This one?
Yes.
So its name?
Jobs. I mean.
Oh, so the ancient handcraft. Yes.
The ancient jobs of Isnello. So basically, here we have the Serenata.
Oh, look at
Isnello
this
is
picture.
known for the Serenata. Basically, people struggled with foods. They don't have really foods in the houses. So they go to their friends and play some music with the instruments, and they just make pasta, cheese, salumi, etc. So it's a beautiful tradition of Isnello. We have filet also. Filet.
Young lady.
Donkeys.
Donkeys over there. So maybe if you have a Sicilian
agriculture.
here in Isnello, this could be your great grandmother.
Exactly.
Why not? Or your great
Wine.
grandfather.
The making of wine also.
Wow.
You can see. And sculptures.
With the
Embroidery. Here, embroidery.
all them are time-consuming job. So let's see the others. So it's time to enjoy festival and tradition.
Religion, tradition.
What about these pictures?
We know that you are Americans, Australians, Canadians, and also Europeans, but your relatives were Italian. So I don't know if you have ever been to Italy or to Sicily or to Isnello in particular. But for example, a great time to come and visit the village is the 1st of May, because here is a religious holiday dedicated to the Santissimo Salvatore, Jesus Christ. And there's a peculiarity of our village, that is the frottola. A frottola is a little procession with the choir and the musical band. And this is our San Nicola, is the patron of the village, and we have also, for example, on the 29th of June, the festival of San Pietro e Paolo, where we eat and prepare boiled fava beans, potatoes and onions. They are prepared in a special pot called quadara in bronze. And we have also an astronomical center, which is called Galassin, and we have also a prize, the Galassin prize. And there's this astronomical center because Isnello has the best starry night and sky in Italy.
That's why at the beginning of this live broadcast I told you that this is the right place to look up to the sky and enjoy the view of the stars during the night. Let's see this one. So the seasons.
This is Isnello in his 4th season.
So we can start from here. I suppose it's autumn because of the yellow colors. Then, so you have snow during the winter time, right?
Because
Oh.
we are surrounded by mountains, so
So guys, don't think that in Sicily we don't have snow.
absolutely.
Also in Sicily we have snow.
This is our Madre Madonita, and it's a statue made by an important artist of Isnello, Pietro Giambelluca, in the late 50s.
Yes.
This is the river Isnello.
Which one? This.
This is the river.
Okay, so in the comments they are writing, keep the microphone closer when you talk.
Okay.
Okay?
Sorry. Andiamo
Ninni, let's go. Oh, look at this beautiful arch.
Incredible.
This festival is called Sapori d'autunno. It means no, I have mine. Yeah, it means we can say autumn flowers, and it's full of shops, temporary we can say, just for this event that takes place 2 days.
Yes, 2 days.
Yeah.
On November.
Let's see. I can see a lot of people over there.
Where's the band?
Also the band, yes.
So, there's the stand, I mean.
Yeah, like a shop.
Like a shop, but temporary, as Rosella said. We have all
Wow. We have pepper, black pepper, we have white pepper, then we have also the rosemary, paprika, then we have parsley. Wow, so full of colors. Basil. Everything is dried, so you can use also during the winter time.
Exactly.
Wow.
So, go down the street.
Let's start discovering all the shops. Here they have the pistachio from Bronte. Look at this.
If you don't know the taste of pistachio, you really miss something in life.
Wow, they prepare also the pasta with the pistachio. Say hello, we are live, siamo in diretta nel mondo. He's shy, people here are shy. Oh, then we have croccante, it means crunchy, made with pistachio, and here we have everything. Oh, also the panettone. Panettone is our typical dessert during the Christmas time. And now it's time to enjoy the cheese corner. Buonasera, signora. Complimenti, everything is beautiful. Signora, me le dice un po' quali sono questi formaggi, cosa abbiamo?
Questo è un caciocavallo.
So we have a caciocavallo.
Sì. Questo è un formaggio misto con pistacchio.
So we have a fresh cheese with pistachio.
Questo
Then
verdure.
with vegetables and also the red pepper. Then we have also the black pepper. Then we have ricotta. We call it primo sale, it means it's a very fresh cheese. And over there, dietro di lei cosa c'è? Wow, caciocavallo. That's why it's named caciocavallo, because you hang it like an horse. Buonasera, lei che fa? Mangia? Are you eating?
Allora, mi dica.
Ce lo fa un bel saluto nel mondo che siamo in diretta?
Grazie, una buona giornata, buon lavoro.
What about this? Che cos'è questo?
Questo è un asiago, fatto nostro.
Wow. Oh, look at that. So big. Ciao Mark, say hello to Mark Cancilla.
Hi Marco!
Ciao Mark. This lady is helping me in finding your ancestors, your long lost relatives. So keep our fingers crossed. Ciao Mark.
Che sapere se io che
Me lo fate un bel saluto che siamo in diretta nel mondo? Ma ce l'avete qualcosa di siciliano da suonarmi? Così all'improvviso.
Ah, improvviso?
Qualcosa, giusto un minuto.
No, tu mi sai che cosa?
I'm asking them to play something Sicilian. Something Sicilian. Grazie mille! Give up for these guys! Grazie mille! Ciao, ciao, grazie! Wow, thank you! Unexpected but beautiful, no? Because when things happen, unexpected is even more better.
When they are naturals, it's better. So now we have some stands with something beautiful like salsiccia, ragazzi.
Sausage, where is the
Say
sausage? Sausage over there. Also, Isnello is famous for the sausage. So maybe we can enjoy also a corner dedicated to the sausage. Oh, we also have the traditional Sicilian beer. So also in Sicily we produce beer.
Una birra.
Una birra. In Sicily. It means one beer for me.
Yes.
Ciao, ciao. The honor. Ciao.
Come stai?
Bene. It's my pleasure to see you again. Last time we saw during the sausage festival in Caccamo, and we are seeing again here in Isnello. See you next year again at the sausage festival in Caccamo, maybe, no?
Sì, from Caccamo Sagra della Salsiccia, ci siamo visti nel 2019 e Sagra della Salsiccia. Bye, see you.
Ciao, ciao, grazie. Oh, let's see. Let's continue. But we also have to tell you that it's a beautiful medieval town. No? There is another corner here, so I can see tomato sauce.
That's it. Handmade.
Everything is made. Everything. Ciao. Cosa sono questi?
Ceci?
Ceci?
Sì, ceci.
Oh, we have also the torrone corner. Almond. Almonds, yes, everywhere. We call torrone, and they are the toasted almonds with sugar around.
They say you're making me hungry. Sorry, guys.
They love the Sicilian food. Oh, there is also a bakery here. Let's see the bread here in Isnello. Buonasera. Vuole farci un saluto?
Ciao!
Oh, look how big is this bread.
It's like my face. I mean.
Wow. We also have some typical pastries. Which is the name of this? Che nome hanno questi?
Corna.
Corna. Oh.
Hanno I fichi dentro.
Oh, inside we have figs and jam and biscuits over there. Buon lavoro.
Grazie! Ciao!
So tell me also something about Isnello. How many people live here in Isnello?
Here we are like 1,000 people. That's really live here because some of the guys, especially with my age, study in different towns and also. So we are like 100.
So you can understand how small is this town.
Really, really small village.
Oh, here I can see also other young people. Oh, look at this beautiful hand-painted Sicilian cart wheel. Wow. Ciao. So you can imagine, you can understand that all these people are not from Isnello, of course. People from everywhere. Oh, look at this, cannoli. Over there they are frying over there. So a lot of work for them today. So we have the radio.
Perché mai direi non mi importa che fai se ogni sosta cercherò il mio cuore non più
The video right in the main street. Which is the name of the main street?
The name?
Of this street? The Corso. Questo è il Corso.
Yes, this is the Corso, right near the So here we have filet.
It's a sort of crochet.
They are handmade by some women of Isnello.
Wow, look at this shawl.
They make for also jewels. Filet.
Where there are two ladies, they are shy. After the music, you have to tell me something about the history of Isnello because we didn't say nothing. Oh, look at this nice corner. Mountain over there. It's getting crowded, even more crowded.
So much crowded.
Because today is it's
The
Sunday.
main day
Yeah.
of the festival, so it's normal.
And also we have to say that we are very lucky because the forecast says rain today, but the sun shines.
Fortunately.
Thanks to the power of the Sicily Lovers.
Exactly.
Look at this corner. Mushroom. How many kinds of mushroom?
It's a real mushroom.
Wow. Bread. Oh, me lo fate un bel saluto, no? Che siamo in diretta in America, in Canada, in Australia.
Lui è americano.
Ma come lei è americano?
Io americano.
Chi da sta dicendo?
No, americano.
Mi facessi un bello saluto.
How are you? Sono in siciliano o in inglese?
In inglese e in siciliano?
In tutte e due.
Ah, scusa, ma tu così. Tu saluta e poi tu dici quello.
Intanto lei salutassi, che siamo in diretta.
In diretta dove?
In America, in Canada, in Australia, in Europa. Un e
Come to Isnello and have fun.
A me ha affannato il nero,
Why visit Isnello?
It's a beautiful place to visit.
Why?
Why? Good water, good air, good people.
Good people, friendly
Yes.
like you.
Yes,
Why you speak English?
because I'm from New York.
Oh. And you stayed in New York or you was born here? Where?
I was born here and live in Long Island.
Oh wow. Why you come back?
Because I love it here.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
See you soon.
Okay.
There is a man from this area. Cancilla is his surname, and we are looking for his relatives here in Isnello.
You have to go to town hall.
Yes, I did, and they are helping me in finding their long lost relatives. So
There's so many
let's see.
people that come here looking for their relatives.
Yes, I know.
There's someone else that speaks English here. But yeah, he's a university professor.
Oh,
Hello.
hello. Buonasera, grazie.
Buonasera.
È stato un piacere.
Sembra che stanno diventando vecchi questi, che prima interpellavano
Sì,
Arriva pure in Germania.
sì, sure.
Parlo con lui.
In Germania?
Sì.
Che c'è in Germania? Il Cruciales con Isnello. Ok.
So I have a question for you. It's true that people here reach even 100 years old?
Too many of them. There's like 10 of them already.
Wow.
Yes.
How many people here are more than 100 years old?
I would say about 8 or 10.
Wow. And
That's
so
a high percentage for the population here.
that's why you decide to come back to Sicily?
Yes.
To
I
live?
want to live longer. I want to screw the U.S.
And now, I see you next year.
Ah, yes. See you next year. Ciao, ciao. Thank you so
Buona
much.
serata.
Ciao. Enjoy. Ciao. Oh, we also have the Italian flag. What a nice surprise meeting these people. Don't forget we have to visit also the mother church. Amore, mi facci sapere. Oddio! Oh my goodness, unbelievable. Are you joking? Is a mushroom? È veramente un fungo?
Fungo testa di scimmia, in siciliano barba di vecchio.
So it's named. It's named.
They are father and son.
Father and son. So it's named monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Ah! Fungo, sì.
Fungo di scimmia. Monkey mushroom.
Monkey
No. Monkey head is named. It's my first time. Have you ever seen something like this? It's a mushroom. Unbelievable. Grazie. Grazie mille. Prima la salsiccia. Oh, now it's time to enjoy the sausage. Look at this, an arch made of sausage. Unbelievable, with the Italian flag. Let's see what they are doing. People are enjoying food. Here you can buy a glass of wine for just €1. Just €1. And the right place. Oh, let's see, I can see sausage. Hanged sausage. Buonasera, ci faccia un bel saluto perché siamo in diretta nel mondo. Say hello to the world. Is the owner of this butcher shop and everything sausage. Qual è la differenza tra queste salsicce? Solo la stagionatura? So the only difference is the season. Grazie. Oh, I can see big pots here. Cosa abbiamo in queste pentole? Buonasera. So here we have tripe. I don't remember exactly the name. Per favore me la fa vedere. Could you please show me the tripe? Is the intestine. Can you see
The
guys?
main part of the animal.
Wow. Posso vedere anche la carne al sugo? Could you please show me also the meat with the tomato sauce? Wow. Oh, I can see carrots. It's like a ragu but with a big piece of meat. Wow. Thank you so much. Oh, then here we are preparing the sausage and also the stigliola. So the interior. And the sausage barbecue. Wow. Buonasera, arrivederci. Arrivederci. Ok, Amonini. Oh, look at this corner. This beautiful tower. Been there for centuries. Right after the Second World War. Guys, sausage. This is sausage. It's not like a decoration. No, this is sausage. Unbelievable. An arch made of sausage. Oh my! No way! Look at that. So many people. So we can go to the Mother Church?
Yes.
I follow you. It's also hard to getting inside. Oh, another beautiful corner here dedicated to mushroom and other vegetables. Let's see. Oh, I can see the fresh olive oil. Oh, look at the color. It's so rich. It's green and yellow. bell grass. Then we have chestnuts, castagne. They are selling. The price is very good, €3.50. Normally they have a price around €5. Then we have nuts. Then we have hazelnuts. Sorry. And look at this mushroom, so big. Che prezzi hanno questi al chilo? Ciao. 10 euros per chilo. Wow, and they are fresh.
qui a Isnello.
Of course, they come from Isnello. They are fresh. No doubt about this. So Isnello is very famous for the mushroom, the meat, and the cheese. Here we have dry tomatoes. Then we have olives. Oh, look at this. Wow, mushroom. Buonasera signora. Guardate che bella signora. Look at how beautiful is this lady.
It's my cousin.
Ciao. Then we have, what about this?
Vegetables.
Wild vegetables from Isnello. Again mushrooms. And again mushrooms. They are green. Over there. Wow. We can combine with fresh bread. And you can see here everywhere decoration because it's named this festival again. I would like to remind you that this festival is named Autumn Flavors
Festival. So guys, come right here.
And let's discover also the main square of this town.
Go to the church?
Yes. This is the main square. Would you like to say something here about Isnello? Or in another place?
So much pride.
There is the music here, so maybe we can stop just around the corner. Facciamo una cosa, andiamo alla chiesa madre, in un angolino ci fermiamo dove lei può parlare senza musica.
Ok.
Da dove andiamo? Da qui? Oh, let me show, just a stop to show you the hazelnuts. Wow. Ah, a quiet street. Ah. Wait for the other two ladies.
We are here.
The young generation of Isnello is following me. Oh, let's get inside the mother church.
This is Mother Church.
The microphone. Mettiamoci lì al centro che c'è un po' più di
This is Mother Church. This church is dedicated to our patron, San Nicola.
So San Nicola is your patron saint?
Yes, San Nicola is our patron, and we celebrate the fest of San Nicola on the 7th of September. So it is a medieval church. This church was built during the 15th century. We are in main nave, but this church presents three different naves.
First one, second, and third. Let's get closer because it's beautiful.
This is the altar. We have the apsid.
Another masterpiece here in Sicily.
Here there is a Madonna and a statue of saints.
è spento di là. Over there you can also see an organ.
Yes, this organ plays.
Oh,
so during
still.
the religion celebration, we use this organ.
Oh, let's see. Let's see. Hello to San Nicola, the patron saint of Isnello. And if you have an origin here in Isnello, this could be the place, the church where your ancestors were baptized. So it's the mother church of Isnello.
It is very beautiful.
And oh, it's a quiet place, I think, to tell something about Isnello, about the story.
Something
About the story of Isnello. Yes,
information.
just a few information.
So Isnello is a medieval village, but in the past, I'll tell you something about the story. For example, during the 8th century, here there were Byzantines, then Normans, and from 15th centuries to 18th century, Isnello was governed by a noble family, Santa Colomba.
So we can say that Isnello is very old. A lot of history.
One of the oldest village of Sicily. One of the oldest village of Sicily.
I know that there is also prehistoric sign of the past.
In the structure of streets, we can see that there is Arabic origin about structure, architecture.
We can see all the narrow streets. It's also like a labyrinth. You can get lost here, no? That's why every time, yeah. When I come to Isnello, I prefer to take the main street because I don't want to get lost.
And we call these little streets vantage. In Sicilian is vantage.
Do you want to share with me a proverb of your town? There is something special you want to say in your dialect?
Ce n'è una in realtà.
Microfono sempre?
Se cerco una visita a Mato Affischiari, che comunque... Cioè, if the little dog...
Again with the microphone. Say in Sicilian first.
Se cerco una visita a Mato Affischiari, significa, it means if the little donkey doesn't want to drink, it's absolutely
useless
to keep trying to make him drink. It's basically, we want to say that
we can also say una sciata che spunta. It means that if something is really hard and you cannot see the light outside the tunnel, it's better you give up.
I have really bad proverbs, but there are other proverbs in Sicilian.
For example, I really like chiaroscuro di mezzanotte un po' fare. It means that if something gets bad, it can get worse.
Good.
Or I remember Kumaccia Pammodiki.
It's nice. It means who eat makes crumbs.
Yes.
Nice. And what else? Would you like to say why visit Isnello so far? Why visit Isnello?
I think that we decided to recreate the Consulta Giovanile because we believe in the potential of our village, because we know that Isnello is a little village, but we have a lot of things to do and to see. For example, we have a lot of beautiful churches and a lot of architecture and an heritage. So we have to improve our possibility to get a complete tourist. Just like we have to do the possibility to the tourists to have the best experience in Isnello.
And of course, please, ladies, you have to know that the most, maybe the most interesting things for our friends is the food and the wine here in Isnello.
Good food, good wine, good people. You have to come. There are no other possibility, guys.
And again, please let me remind you that these three ladies are here just for passion. They are doing this with me. They are volunteers. They are not tourist guides. They are working with me to help me sharing the beauties of this town.
Yes.
So thank you again.
Thank you.
Now let's reach the sun, the light for us. Look at the light for us. And we can reach again the main square to say goodbye from there.
Yes.
Oh, so many people again. Oh, cheese, again cheese. Cheese everywhere. Everywhere. And the cold cuts. I'm looking for the 100 people, but I didn't see. Maybe they are enjoying the sofa at home. So let's see. Look at this beautiful corner with the tower over there. Ci mettiamo adesso in modalità selfie.
Ok.
So again, guys, please help us to share the love for Sicily. So please share this live broadcast with your friends. Invite them to follow us on Facebook. Best things to do in Sicily, and we will let you know the best places to enjoy in Sicily and the best experiences. And if you want to travel to Sicily, don't forget that we can help you plan your custom private tour all year round. Just visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Choose the experiences you want to put in your tour, and we will back to you with the best proposal. And if you want to enjoy our Sicily Lovers Tour in September, the website is the same, Best Things to Do in Sicily, and there are few spots left. So if you want to take advantage of the early booking, book right now, bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Also, ciao to Gianca, because Gianca is working, is planning tour of Sicily for next year. We are not slowing down. No way, forget about this. We cannot stop. We have to plan a tour of Sicily all year round. Ladies, come with me. Are you ready to say hello to our family of Sicily lovers?
Yes.
So all together, it's time to say love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your love. Ciao.